Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to generate Gemini API key. So make sure to go to the Google, open up any of your browser and make sure that you have logged in with the account that you want to generate the API key. And from here you can just go to Google and search generate. You can just write down generate or not, that is your choice, Gemini API key. And once you enter this generate a Gemini API key onto the Google, so from here you will see this website ai.google.dev. So just click on this website, Google AI for developers. Make sure do not go on any other websites. And once you're on this section, as you can see, ai.google.dev, and in this section called API keys, you can just click on get a Gemini API key in Google AI Studios. And once you click here, you will be redirected to this studio, Google AI Studio. And from here, you can just see the pop-up is it's time to build, use Google AI Studios. That is your choice if you want to use, or you want to like build with the Gemini API, get API key. So just click on the second option, get API key. And from here, make sure to agree to both these conditions and read it down if you want to, and click on I accept. And once you click on accept, if you want to create a new API key, that is your choice. And if you want, like here is the test API key that is given by them. And from here, you can just click on copy to clipboard. And now you have like, and from here, what you can do is just click on create API key and they will generate an API key for you. So wait for it until it completely loads. And from here, as you can see, like my API key has been generated. So click on copy and copy to clipboard. So now I have like generated a API key, which is now, as you can see, saved in this section as well. So you can just copy it, you can just delete it. That is your choice. Let's say I want to delete this key. So I just deleted it. I have created it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can create these API keys and copy them.